Hi guys. So quick review. We're going to do a little bit more magnetism, just a little. So we've got the right hand rule for a current carrying wire. Your thumb points in the direction of the current. Your fingers, you wrap your hand around the wire, and the direction your fingers point shows you the direction of the magnetic field around the wire. So here we've got a wire with the current moving to the right. So we would take our hand, thumb to the right, fingers would wrap around the wire. The way that we would represent this is like this. So when the current, when your hand is above the wire, your fingers are pointing out of the page or out of the screen. When you continue to curl your hand, when your hand is below the wire, your fingers point into the page. So remember, dots for out of the page, X's for into the page. So if it's something like this, thumb is down, wrap your hand around the wire. So that tells me when my hand is on the left side of the wire, my fingers are pointing into the page. And when my hand is on the right side of the wire, my hand is pointing out of the page. So we would draw that like this. The other thing you will need for today's practice problems is how to calculate the strength of the magnetic field. So we have this relationship right here, B, which stands for magnetic field, and we'll measure that in Teslas, equals a constant, 2 times 10 to the negative 7th, times I, the current, over R, where R is the distance from the wire. So we're going to try one together, and then you guys can go off and do those practice problems. So I want you to find the magnitude and the direction of the magnetic field at a point located 0.8 meters away from a long, straight wire carrying a current of 2 amps. So we're going to write what we know. First, we know that we want to find the point 0.8 meters away from the wire. So that would be my R information. Okay. Next, I know that the current is 2 amps. So I have everything I need. Now I just need to use my equation. So B equals 2 times 10 to the negative 7th. I, which in this case is 2, over R, 0.8. And now I just have to solve. All right, good luck.